everyone, this is Aaron from moonlight.net, and right here right now we are at the Rara Cafe where we are be able to experience the preview of the HONOR Magic7 Pro. So let's just talk about the colors that are available. According to HONOR, it is available in Lunar Shadow Grey, Breeze Blue, and black. Now when it comes to the exterior design of the phone, you can see the curved edges all around with a smooth backplate design. So it does show a very premium look over on this phone. Next up, when it comes to the camera, you can see this is what HONOR calls it the deco design, which is the rounded camera island over here. Perhaps I shouldn't call it as an island really, since it is a rounded shape. There's also a few demonstrations HONOR is having around this cafe just for today, for us media over here. So one of it is what we call the AI Deepfake detection technology, whereby if let's say you are having a video call with someone, you can just turn on the AI Deepfake. So this is good, to detect or to avoid scammers. Other than that, you also have the Magic Portal 2.0 features, whereby you can click and drag text and images towards your favorite apps such as WhatsApp, WeChat. This is all thanks in part of Google's technology as well, because you have Gemini AI. And last but not least, HONOR actually has IP rating on this phone as well, which it has IP68 and IP69 ingress protection. Another feature that the phone has is actually interpreter face-to-face mode, whereby you can do live translation similar to what the Magic 6 Pro has, but it added more languages already. We are actually demonstrating me speaking English with another person speaking in German. Another exciting cool thing is also part of the Magic AI is the Magic Avatar, whereby you can create your own avatar with your face. You can put different dresses, different things to it, different makeups to it as well. So this adds to a fun touch towards this new upcoming flagship phone from HONOR. So that is pretty much about it on this preview of the Magic 7 Pro. Do stay tuned on our full review, which is coming really soon. My name is Aaron. Please remember to subscribe to us. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.